Imagine a garden that stays hydrated longer, wastes less water, and grows healthier plants with less effort from you. Today, I'll show you the exact hacks to make that happen. Water conservation hacks. Maximizing irrigation. Efficiency in your garden. Number 1. The invisible drain. Why your garden craves water efficiency. Most gardeners don't realize it. But one of the biggest drains in the garden isn't pests, diseases, or poor soil. It's water loss. Traditional watering methods often send precious moisture somewhere other than where your plants need it, evaporating into the air. Running off compacted soil or soaking areas with no roots at all. This invisible waste translates into higher water bills, unnecessary strain on local water supplies, and less resilient plants, especially under today's unpredictable climate patterns. Water efficiency isn't just an eco-friendly moment, it's a survival strategy. And the good news? With just a few smart tweaks, your garden can become healthier, greener, and more self-sufficient while you use less water and less effort. Number 2 is strategic watering, the art of targeted hydration. There are 3 segments in strategic. Watering one drip irrigation, the precision. Powerhouse drip irrigation delivers water straight to the root zone, slowly, deeply, and efficiently. How to set up a basic drip line along beds or container plants. Use emitters for thirsty crops or fruiting plants. Prevent clogging with simple filters and correct misconceptions like drip takes too long or it's too complicated. With drip, roots grow deeper, soil stays evenly moist longer, and water waste drops dramatically. Number 2, soaker hoses, low effort. High impact. If drip feels too engineered, introduce soaker hoses, the flexible, beginner-friendly alternative, great for long vegetable rows, shrub borders, perennial beds, and lay them on the soil. Cover with mulch, and watch your watering efficiency skyrocket. Number 3, real-life applications. In this segment, it demonstrate how veggies like tomatoes thrive with targeted watering, why shallow-rooted plants like lettuces love consistent moisture, and how raised beds benefit from evenly spaced hoses or drip grids. Now we come to smart tech. Smarter. Leveraging automation technology isn't just for indoor hydroponics, it's revolutionizing outdoor garden irrigation too. Number 1, smart irrigation controllers. In this segment, these devices adjust watering automatically based on real-time weather. Skip irrigation on rainy or cloudy days and tailor water output to plant type, soil, and sun exposure. This is set and forget gardening that saves water all season. Number 2, soil moisture sensors. This is affordable, game-changing, and beginner-friendly. Eliminate guesswork by telling you when soil is dry, when it's still holding moisture, and when plants need attention before they stress. Perfect for preventing the 2 biggest watering mistakes: overwatering and underwatering. Number 3, plug-and-play integration. It offers practical guidance on placing sensors in different beds, pairing controllers with existing irrigation, and choosing budget-friendly gadgets for small gardens or balconies. Another water conservation hack is beyond the hose, ground-level water retention tactics. There are also 3 segments under this. Number 1, mulching, your garden's moisture shield. This segment, it reveals how mulch acts as a protective blanket that reduces evaporation by up to 70%, regulates soil temperature, prevents erosion, stops weeds from stealing moisture, and compare organic options like straw, wood chips, and compost, and explain where each works best. Number 2, companion planting, nature's microclimate hack. This strategic plant pairing creates small pockets of shade and humidity. Examples to highlight are basil under tomatoes, squash as living mulch, and tall sunflowers shading tender greens. These combinations naturally reduce water loss and boost plant health. Number 3, soil structure. The secret to long-term water savings. Healthy soil equals better water retention. The following are simple improvements like adding compost for sponge-like soils, incorporating biochar for long-term moisture storage, and avoiding compaction. To keep water infiltration high, small soil upgrades create long-lasting efficiency. Now we come to the thriving, sustainable garden. Your next steps wrap up with a strong takeaway message. Water conservation doesn't mean sacrificing a lush garden. It means working with nature. Not against it, just one new strategy: drip lines, smart tech, or mulching can drastically improve your garden's efficiency this season. Try one of these water-saving hacks this week and tell us how it transformed your garden. Drop your own conservation tips in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the HORTIKNOW channel for more sustainable gardening insights.